Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. We have a really small bedroom with not a lot of storage space. So I have been looking for ways to kind of utilize every single corner of the room, but without it looking really messy and cluttered. And that's when I found these storage bins from DECOMOMO and I had to buy them. These are the jumbo size baskets and they really are very spacious inside. I love being able to put anything in these bins, especially those little things that we really don't use on a daily basis that over time can make your room look cluttered and messy. But now with these bins, no matter what's inside of them, they will still make my room look nice and organized. I just love neutral colors, and this combination of beige and white just go perfectly together. And the moment I opened the packaging, I could instantly tell that they were made out of high quality. The outside is made of a cotton blend fabric, and then the inside is lined with a polyester lining. And they also have these really cute faux leather handles on each side that just give it that perfect finishing touch. I also really like that the top edge of these baskets have a metal frame on the inside, and that the bottom of these bins are lined with some type of plywood material to really give it the support and the rigidity that it needs to stand tall. So I like that these don't flop over like some of the other baskets that I've had in the past. I got these originally just for my bedroom, but I didn't realize how useful these would be in other parts of my house as well. I mean, the possibilities are just endless. So these come in a pack of 3, but I feel like I need 6 more for my house. They do come folded in a package, so all I did was stuff them with pillows and then I ironed the outside just to get any of the leftover creases out. I really think everyone should have one of these in their home. They're not only beautiful, but they're also very, very functional. But that's just my point of view.